If you own a T-Mobile phone, you may have come across the T-Mobile App Selector. But what exactly is it? Do you really need it? And if not, how can you disable it? In this video, we'll break it all down for you. Let's get started. What is T-Mobile App Selector? T-Mobile App Selector is a built-in feature on some T-Mobile Android devices that suggests and installs apps when you set up your phone. It gives users the option to choose from a list of recommended apps during the initial setup, rather than having pre-installed bloatware. This feature is designed to give users more control over what apps they want on their device, instead of forcing unnecessary apps onto their phone. Do I need T-Mobile App Selector? The short answer: it depends. If you like the idea of choosing apps during setup and avoiding pre-installed bloatware, then App Selector might be useful. However, if you prefer downloading apps manually from the Google Play Store, you may find it unnecessary. T-Mobile App Selector does not affect your phone's core functionality, so whether you use it or not is a matter of personal preference. How to disable T-Mobile App Selector? If you don't want T-Mobile App Selector on your device, here's how you can disable it. Go to Settings on your phone. Open Apps or App Manager, varies by device. Find T-Mobile App Selector in the list of installed apps. Tap on it and select Disable or Uninstall Updates, if available. If you don't see a disable option, try force stopping the app to prevent it from running. This should stop the app from appearing during future setups or suggesting apps. Conclusion: T-Mobile App Selector can be useful for some users but unnecessary for others. If you prefer to install apps on your own, disabling it is simple. Have you used T-Mobile App Selector before? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech tips. Thanks for watching TechZoid, and we'll see you in the next video.